Exercise 2.3, question number 4. Which is greater? First part, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Now, to find out which one is greater, we have to first simplify these questions. So, 2 by 7 of means multiplication, 3 by 4. So, here we can cancel 4 by 2, just 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. So, it will be 3 by 14. Now, in the next part, if we simplify it, let us find out what will be the value. 3 by 5 of means multiplication, 5 by 8. So 5 will get cancelled and it will be 3 by 8. Because here we'll have 1 and here also we will have 1. 3 ones are 3 and 8 ones are 8. Now you can simply compare which one is greater. Since the numerators are same, so the number with the lower denominator will be greater. Since we have to divide it into lesser part. So here we can say that 3 by 8 is greater. Or instead of that we can say 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Now the second part, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. We have to find which one is greater again. So we will simplify each part separately. Here it will be 1 by 2 of means multiplication, 6 by 7. So it will here we can cancel 2 ones are and 2 threes are 6. So 1 into 3 will be 3 and 7 into 1 will be 7. Now if you simplify the other part, it will be 2 by 3 of means multiplication, 3 by 7. So 3 will get cancelled and here we will have 2 by 7. Now we have to find which one is greater. So here it is very simple since the denominators are same. So the number which has the greater numerator will be greater. So 3 by 7 will be greater than 2 by 7. So 3 by 7 or we can write 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Next question number 5. Salil plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between first and the last sapling. Now in this, Salil plants 4 saplings and each at a distance of 3 by 4 meter. So we can understand like this, that he is having 4 saplings being planted, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and each is at a distance of 3 by 4 meter. So here you can see that the total distance between the first sapling and the last sapling is 3 times, that is 1, 2 and 3 times of 3 by 4. Here you can do it in 2 ways. The distance will be 3 by 4 meter plus 3 by 4 meter plus 3 by 4 meter, or instead of this adding we can multiply 3 by 4 by 3. So it will be 9 by 4 meter, or if you convert it into mixed fraction it will be 4 2s are 8, 1 by 4 meter. Now the next question, that is question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Now, Lipika reads book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She finished reading it in 6 days. So that means for 6 days she continuously she read every day 1 by 3 of the part. So we can add 1 3 by 4 6 times, or we can say total time required by her will be equals to 6 into 1 3 by 4, or we can write it as 6 into 4 ones are 4, 5 6 7 7 by 4. Here it will be 6 into 7 will be 42 by 4, and we can simplify it further. We can cancel it by 2. So if you cancel it by 2, it will be 21 upon 2. So it will be 21 upon 2, and we can convert it into mixed fraction. It will be 10 1 by 2 r. Now the question number 7. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Now we can say that in 1 liter car runs 16 kilometer. So in 2 3 by 4 liters car will run 16 into 2 3 by 4 kilometer. So it will be 16 into 4 to the 8 plus 3 will be 11 upon 4 kilometer. So if you cancel it by 4, it will be 4 4 is 16. So it will be 44 kilometer. So the car will run 44 kilometer in 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Now the last question of this exercise, question number 8. Provide a number in the box such that first part of the A part is 2 by 3 into the number which you have to fill in the box, which will give you 10 by 30. Now it is very simple. By what number should you multiply 2 to get 10? It will be 5. By what number should you multiply 3 so you get 30? It will be 10. So the number will be 5 by 10. Now in the second part it is being asked that the simplest form of the number obtained. So the simplest form will be simplest form of 5 by 10. 5 by 10 will be, can cancel it by 5, so it will be 1 by 2. Now it is similar question in B part. In B part we have to find the number which fill the box so that we get 3 by 5 into that number, which will give you 24 by 75. Now here the number that should be filled will be, now by what number should you multiply 3 so get 24? It will be 8. By what number you should multiply 5 so get 75? It will be 15. So the number is 8 by 15, and the simplest form of this one will be, we can write simplest form of 8 by 15 will be 8 by 15 only, since it has no number in common.